Moving forward, the SQE2 assessment. The Solicitor's Qualifying Examination, SQE, is the national centralised assessment to qualify as a Solicitor of England and Wales. QLTS offers comprehensive, affordable and credible preparation courses for both stages of the SQE, Functioning Legal Knowledge, SQE1, and the Practical Legal Skills Assessment, SQE2. The SQE2 assessment. If you've passed SQE1 or received an exemption, you're eligible to move on to SQE2, the next critical step in your qualification journey. SQE2 is divided into two parts. Oral. This part assesses client interviewing and advocacy. Written. This part assesses case and matter analysis, legal research, legal writing, and legal drafting. These 6 legal skills are assessed across 5 practice areas: property practice, wills and the administration of estates, dispute resolution, criminal litigation, business law and practice. You'll complete 16 stations simulating real-life scenarios. Some involve actors as clients, others require written responses. SQE2 assesses your practical ability to apply law and communicate like a solicitor. A structured preparation approach. Passing SQE2 requires more than reading a textbook. It demands structured, hands-on preparation. That's why our course follows 5 key stages. 1. Understanding the exam structure and marking scheme. 2. Reviewing the relevant substantive and procedural law. 3. Learning the 6 core legal skills. 4. Practicing and refining those skills. 5. Completing mock stations with personal tutor feedback. With years of experience preparing candidates for the QLTS assessments, on which the SQE is based, QLTS delivers a proven formula for success. What's included in the QLTS SQE2 preparation course? Initial guidance and personalized study plan. Start with a one-on-one consultation with an experienced tutor who will assess your background and design a tailored study plan to structure your preparation, track your progress, and meet key deadlines. Practice area summaries. Concise summaries for each legal practice area covered by the SQE2 syllabus, giving you the core legal content needed to support your skills work. SQE2 practice questions. Work through scenarios based on real-world case studies, accompanied by realistic supporting documents including wills, oaths, probate forms, letters of claim and defense, bail applications, contracts, board resolutions, and property deeds. Digital flashcards. Over 2,000 flashcards covering key concepts across all 5 practice areas. Organized by topic, they help reinforce your legal knowledge and save valuable revision time. SQE Video Library. A collection of tutorials and expert-led presentations breaking down the SQE2 syllabus by subject. Watch from any device, anytime, to strengthen your understanding of the law and legal skills. SQE Skills Online. A 130-page textbook plus 60-plus interactive online exercises covering legal writing and drafting, oral presentation and advocacy, client interviewing, legal research, case and matter analysis. This innovative platform offers hands-on skills training with video-audio examples and feedback to simulate real-life legal practice. English writing tasks. Sharpen your legal writing. You'll practice drafting client letters, internal memos, and formal documents using correct tone, structure, and legal style, all aligned with SQE2 marking criteria. Legal skills video workshops. 100-plus video tutorials, nearly 20 hours of content simulating real interviews, advocacy, and drafting tasks. These show you what to do and what to avoid so you feel confident in the exam room. 300 mock exams for self-assessment. Access a portfolio of 300 mock tasks, each based on different scenarios covering all the practice areas and skills assessed in SQE2. The mock exams include solutions and supporting documents across all legal skills and practice areas. Role-play scripts and realistic exercises are included, as well as AI-generated feedback on written work. Many of our students have reported that peers from other providers felt underprepared because their training didn't simulate the real exam. By contrast, QLTS mock exams are intensive, realistic, and fully aligned with the SRA assessment specification, ensuring you're genuinely ready for the formal assessment. You'll walk into the exam with confidence and clarity.
My favourite part about the QLTS preparation course for SQE2 was the huge resource of mock exams. So I am a huge believer that the best way to prepare for any exam is to do mock exams, to learn directly in the context of the examination that you're sitting, not learn it first and then learn how to sit the exam second. Just learn that together through doing mock exams. And that's the way that I learned the content. There were so many that I didn't have to learn the content and then have a go at a couple of mock exams. I could revise and learn all of the content through the medium of mock exams, which was fantastic for the way that I like to study.
Mock practice stations with tutor feedback. One-to-one mock stations with tutor feedback, particularly in client interviewing and advocacy, are considered the most effective way to prepare. Former candidates consistently say these were the turning point in their preparation.
The aspect of the QLTS preparation course that I found most useful was having access to a tutor, someone to run through the mock assessments with. So I had a tutor who went through both the advocacy and interviewing assessments with me ahead of the SQE2, and I found it really prepared me for what to expect on the actual examination day.
Chat SQE, your AI study companion. Get instant syllabus-aligned answers to your legal questions with Chat SQE, developed by legal experts and AI scientists. Make your learning faster, more interactive, and more effective. Study anytime, anywhere. All course content is accessible from your laptop, tablet, or mobile. Whether you're studying full-time, working, or living abroad, our course adapts to your schedule. Learn wherever and whenever suits you. For over 15 years, QLTS has trained thousands of aspiring solicitors. Our tutors and staff bring deep experience from preparing candidates for the practical legal skills assessment. Your success is our focus. Specifically designed to meet the requirements of the SRA and Kaplan, our SQE2 preparation course gives you the tools, structure, and support you need to pass on your first attempt. But don't just take our word for it, visit our website to hear from successful candidates on our Success Stories page.
The strongest advantages of QLTS School's approach and what you're getting as a student is the variety and the quantity of material, and that's all of the different stations that are covered by the SQE exam, all of the different kinds of letters and research reports you might be writing, as well as oral assessments that you might be facing in the real exam. The material is just so vast and so detailed, and also at a very challenging level, that if a student engages with it seriously, there is no question that they're going well prepared into the exam.
We offer 3 flexible course packages for the SQE2 exam. Each includes a different combination of the features shown in this video, so you can choose the option that best suits your needs and budget. Request more information now and prepare to take your legal career to the next level by moving one step closer to becoming a solicitor of England and Wales.